Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to bring you another airdrop. Let's jump into the video. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. I regularly upload high-profit airdrops and big opportunities. This airdrop is launched by Blockmesh. If you don't know, Blockmesh is a powerful mining project in the DePIN blockchain space, supported by Solana. The best part is that it's still early stage, with only about 100,000 users, so you have a great chance to join early. I'll be giving you a full guide to help you participate. So, let's get started. The project's name is BlockMesh Network. While there isn't much data available online yet, you'll soon start to see more about it. Solana even tweeted about BlockMesh, awarding it the first prize in the DePIN tasks for creating an open network that allows users to monetize their excess bandwidth. Solana's support of this project is a big deal. I've also shared another Solana-backed project with you before, called Gradient Mining, which is also in the DePIN network. If you check Blockmesh's Twitter handle, you'll see they have about 44,000 followers, and they recently completed 100,000 users. The Rivalz network, which has 355,000 followers and supports advanced AI and blockchain layers, is also supporting this project. This kind of strong backing means that Blockmesh is a solid project to join. Now here's how you can participate. Visit the Blockmesh website and register. Enter your email address, create a password, confirm it, and use my invite code. Click on Submit to create your account. You'll then receive a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify. Once verified, download the Blockmesh Chrome extension. After adding it to Chrome, go back to the page and log in with your email and password. On the Blockmesh website, go to the Referrals section, copy your invite link, and share it with friends. You'll earn points for each referral. In the Perks section, click on Connect Wallet. Then connect your Phantom wallet, a Solana wallet. You'll also want to connect your Twitter account to earn an additional 500 points. Your points will increase day by day. That's all for today. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.